The Simple Deform modifier allows us to quickly deform our mesh in a number of ways. If I apply this modifier to our cube here, you can see how it deforms straight away. There are 4 deformation options: twist, bend, taper, and stretch. Each option will have a factor or angle slider up here where you can adjust the level of deformation to the mesh. The origin here allows you to assign an object which will act as the master of the deformation. So if I create an empty and then assign that empty as the origin, you can see that I can now manipulate the deformation of our mesh using our empty. You can also choose what axes the deformation occurs on. The limit sliders here allow you to simply customize the limits of the deformation. And you can also lock them down on a specific axis so that they will not deform on that axis. It's a very simple modifier to use, and I'm sure you'll be able to find many uses for it. If you want to stay up to date with more content like this, make sure that you subscribe to stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.